Picture this. You are managing a critical IT project. The team is making progress, but risks are piling up: potential server crashes, vendor delays, and looming security vulnerabilities. You realize that without a solid risk mitigation strategy, your project could derail. How do you address these risks effectively? In today's video, we'll explore the journey of Ravi, a project manager, who tackled these challenges by developing proactive risk mitigation strategies. Stick around for actionable steps to safeguard your IT projects and keep them on track. Hi everyone, welcome back to NxtChair. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell for weekly insights on IT project management, risk mitigation, and leadership strategies. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of risk management: developing effective risk mitigation strategies. Whether you are managing a cloud migration, a software deployment, or an infrastructure overhaul, this guide will help you create actionable plans to minimize risks and maximize success. Topic Introduction. Risk mitigation is about preparing for the unexpected. It's the proactive process of reducing the likelihood and impact of potential risks in your project. To bring this to life, let's follow Ravi, a project manager leading a complex data migration for a retail company. His project faced multiple risks, from system downtime during peak shopping hours to data loss during migration. Through thoughtful planning and collaboration, Ravi created a robust mitigation strategy that ensured project success. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1. Identify and prioritize high-priority risks. Ravi began by reviewing his risk assessment matrix, which categorized risks by their likelihood and impact. His team identified two high-priority risks: server downtime during migration and potential data corruption. Technical note: steps for prioritizing risks. Use a risk matrix to evaluate likelihood and impact. Focus on risks in the high likelihood, high impact quadrant. Document each high priority risk in detail. For instance, Ravi's team noted that server downtime during peak shopping hours could result in significant revenue loss, making it a top priority to mitigate. If you've worked on prioritizing risks in your projects, share your experience in the comments below. And if you're finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. With high priority risks identified, Ravi moved on to selecting appropriate mitigation strategies for each one. Step 2. Choose the right mitigation strategy. Ravi and his team brainstormed mitigation strategies using the four main approaches: avoidance, reduction, transfer, and acceptance. They selected the most suitable strategy based on the nature of each risk. Technical note: key mitigation strategies. Avoidance: eliminate the risk entirely, e.g., rescheduling migration during off-peak hours to avoid downtime. Reduction: minimize the risk's likelihood or impact, e.g., implementing automated data validation to prevent corruption. Transfer: shift the risk to a third party, e.g., purchasing downtime insurance from the hosting provider. Acceptance: acknowledge the risk and prepare contingency plans, e.g., setting up a backup server for immediate failover. For the server downtime risk, Ravi's team avoided peak hours for migration and set up a failover system. For data corruption, they implemented automated data validation scripts and a backup recovery plan. Once strategies were selected, Ravi ensured they were integrated into the project plan seamlessly. Step 3. Integrate mitigation strategies into the project plan. Ravi incorporated the mitigation strategies into the project schedule, budget, and resource allocation. This ensured that everyone on the team understood their roles in executing the strategies. Technical note: steps for integration. Allocate resources, dedicate time, budget, and personnel for mitigation tasks. Update milestones, add mitigation activities to your project timeline. Assign ownership, ensure each risk has a designated owner responsible for monitoring and execution. For example, Ravi assigned the IT lead to oversee server failover testing and the data analyst to validate migrated data. Quick reminder: don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more actionable insights like these. Your support helps us create content tailored for IT professionals like you. With the plan in place, Ravi's next step was to test and validate the mitigation strategies. Step 4. Test and validate your mitigation plans. Ravi conducted simulation tests to ensure the strategies were effective. His team simulated data corruption scenarios to verify the backup system and tested failover systems to measure recovery time. Technical note: tips for testing mitigation plans, simulations. Create control scenarios to test risk responses. Metrics: measure key metrics like recovery time, data integrity, and system uptime. Feedback loops: gather feedback from tests to refine the strategies. For instance, the failover system passed with a recovery time of less than 2 minutes, ensuring minimal disruption during potential downtime. Even with effective plans in place, Ravi understood the importance of ongoing monitoring to ensure risks stayed under control. Step 5. Monitor and adjust strategies continuously. Throughout the project, Ravi set up a risk monitoring system to track potential changes in risk levels. Regular team meetings included updates on mitigation activities and adjustments where necessary. Technical note: continuous monitoring tools and techniques, risk logs, keep a live document of risk statuses, updates, and next steps. Automated alerts: use tools like Jira or Trello to notify the team of emerging risks. Review cycles: schedule regular reviews to evaluate mitigation progress. For example, during one review, Ravi's team identified an emerging risk, a vendor delay on critical software updates. By addressing it early, they avoided cascading project delays. Conclusion: through thoughtful prioritization, strategic planning, testing, and continuous monitoring, Ravi successfully mitigated risks and delivered a seamless data migration project. Developing effective risk mitigation strategies isn't just about solving problems, it's about creating resilience and ensuring your project stays on track. If this video provided you with valuable insights, please like, comment, and subscribe for more IT project management tips. Let us know in the comments how you've handled risk mitigation in your projects. We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.